Welcome back to another video with me, Ms. Wellness. Say hello to Kuan Yin. Anyway, I am Ms. Wellness. Welcome back to another video with me. I am Ms. Wellness. I challenge the wellness habits and I'm challenging our mental plane. This is a video about 2026. Everybody. Sorry guys. Ignore that. Sorry. This is a turn video. I'm trying to make this a turn video. Hey. So, what do I got coming up for 2026? What do you got coming up for 2026? What do you got coming up for 2026? Are you going to be the same? Well, don't worry. I'm here to help. I am Ms. Wellness. I have come up with 3 questions, 3 journal entries that we can do in our journals. You know me, I'm Ms. Wellness. Check out my other journal entry videos. Reference my other videos. I got a bunch of other videos. So, what are we going to talk about here? We are going to review the 3 questions I came up for everybody to discuss, to think about, to introspect, to reflect, to ponder, to think about 2026. Because are you going to be the same? Like, how are we going to approach this year? How you approach this year matters. I understand if you've been in woe and we have our moments. I have my moments. Even I have my moments where I'm just like, I don't want to be here. This earth shit is ghetto. Being on earth with other earthlings is ghetto. Anyway, so I'm gonna grab my journal. All right, everybody. Take out your journal, take out your pens and your paper, because I have another video with you. I made some of my videos private because I had to take a break from social media because the social media shit is not real life. It's not real life. I hope you guys know that. Make sure you guys go outside. Anyway, number 1. How or what can I do to be great in 2026? Don't you want to be great? If you're clicking on this video, you somehow want to be great. I want to be great. There is no other option but to be great. So let's be great. So how or what can I do to be great? If you're not great already, why are you not great? If you not have done something semi-great, why? What are we going to do to be great? We have to be great. Like, what are we doing? We need to get it together. Everybody, come on. It's 2026. It's not 2023. You know? 2023 was like, 2023. 2020, hot mess. Anyway, number 2. How can I be different or embrace change? If you haven't already checked out my change video, make sure you go check my change video, because my change video is about people that have struggled with change. Change is a good thing. We gotta change. What the fuck if you want to stay the same on time for? Like, boring. I hate it. Unchanged, motherfucker. Anyway, how can I be different and embrace change? Oh, did I mention my Mrs. After Hours video? Anyway, guys, if you haven't already watched my other video, I am coming out with a podcast. Mrs. After Hours. My special guest New Year's episode. Her name is, it's a secret, but check out my episode that's going to be coming out as Mrs. After Hours. I'm going to post the whole thing on here. I'm going to post it here and decide what I want to do, and if I'm going to post it on another YouTube platform. So we just switch it over there. But we're going to start to post it as Ms. Wellness, because I'm Ms. Wellness, challenging our wellness templates and our mental plane, and Mrs. After Hours. Very excited for the podcast. It's going to be very funny. I made it very purposeful, and that's what I'm going to do to be great in 2026. How about you? Anyway, what are things that currently scare me? Where there is fear, there is power. Where there is fear, there is your power. So wherever you're scared, somewhere you're being a chicken shit, that's exactly what you need to do the inner work. Those are your 3 inner work questions. 3 inner work questions. How or what can I do to be great in 2026? Number 2, how can I be different and embrace change? Number 3, what are the things that currently scare me? Those are your 3 inner work questions. this is a work video for 2026 intended to, bring in the energy of the new year, because we can't go into new year with, whoa, oh, I don't want to be here. Earth is ghetto. It is, whatever. But we're here though. I'm going to keep going, and it is what it is. I'm not, if you got to cut off some people, whatever you got to do, you got to do it. You got to do it, you got to do it. You got to change, you got to be different. Because it's 2026, baby. It's not 2023. It's not 2020. It's 2026. Like, 2026 is, by the way, those are even numbers. I don't know what that means in numerology, but it's 2026. Make sure you go check out my introduction video to Mrs. After Hours, my video about change. I can't wait to come out with this podcast. It's going to be very exciting. It's going to be very funny. It's going to be very real. And it's going to be interesting because you guys are going to get a little bit more view of my life and my friends and people that I hang out with and possibly strangers, So, can't wait. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.